DC and AC equivalent circuit of JFET. Today our topic is DC and equivalent circuit of JFET. Like as a transistor amplifier, both DC and AC conditions prevail in a JFET amplifier. The DC source set up DC currents and voltage, whereas the DC source signal produce fluctuations in the JFET current and voltage. Therefore, a simple way to analyze the action of JFET amplifiers to split the circuit into two parts, the DC equivalent circuit and AC equivalent circuit. DC equivalent circuit will determine the operating point DC bias level for the circuit, while AC equivalent circuit determines the output voltage, hence voltage gain the circuit. We shall split the JFET amplifier shown this figure, and it's 1930 into DC and AC equivalent circuit. Note that biasing is provided by voltage divider circuit. So we know DC equivalent circuit. In the DC equivalent circuit of JFET amplifier, only DC conditions are considered. It's presumed that no signal is applied, as a direct current cannot flow through a capacitor. All the capacitors look like open circuit in the DC equivalent circuit. It follows, therefore, in order, draw the DC equivalent circuit. The following two-step application of amplifier circuit: reduce AC source VDS, RD, ID and RS, R2 and R1 and plus VDD. Open the capacitor and reduce all the source to be 0. And thirdly, open all the capacitor. Applying this two-step to the JFET amplifier circuit shown the figure 1930, we get the easily calculate the DC current and voltage from the circuit. Secondly, we look like the AC equivalent circuit, and in the AC equivalent circuit of JFET amplifier is only considered or to be consideration a voltage is not applied for such the general JFET amplifier and current. It may be considered to 0. The capacitor are generally is coupled bypass and then the AC signal. So the prevail of JFET DC and AC signal and reduce all the source of the all reduced to 0 and short of all the capacitor. Applying AC and DC voltage and input, the prevail is JFET amplifier, and DC source set up to DC currents and voltage and produce The JFET action amplifier and two person equivalent, the DC equivalent circuit and the AC equivalent circuit.